All right, guys, let's do this. If you remember, 2 days ago, I did say I want to see a lot of shorts come into the market. I want to see them shorting. And that's what they've done. CVD going down. That shows you that people are shorting. The price is going up. That's a sign of strength. You can clearly see that on this EXA charts. Everyone was shorting with this push up last night. I don't know. I didn't see it happening. I was asleep. Everyone was shorting. The price is going up, and I would like to see even more shorts. To be honest, if you zoom out a little bit, we can clearly see up, higher highs, higher lows. CVD going down. That means everyone's shorting. Even if we can come a little bit lower, that would even be better. Open interest is going down, but it doesn't really matter. People say that, oh yeah, you should see open interest going up just as the price goes up. You want to see open interest going up, which is nonsense. It doesn't really matter. It will come in later. You want to see open interest coming in later on the breakout with the new all-time highs when we break out of this range. So you want to see volume kicking in here and open interest coming in to the market at this point here. As of right now, we are in this range. Some people think we should come down so that they could get in. I think we don't have to, and we just continue to the upside from here. Let them wait. And what I don't really want to get below this level here. This is the previous range, and I don't want to see us getting into this range. We are back into this range here, and we should trade here until we decide that it's time to go up. We still got the CME. Still got the CME open, do we? A little bit below. We can close this gap. I don't mind. But that's about it. Don't want to see any lower. Because we just closed this one here. We can clearly see we just closed it. So some rejection, maybe, just maybe. I don't know, and I don't really care any about any trades down in this little small range. You could say we could do this. We can. I'm not gonna trade that. I don't fucking care about this little thing. Right. So is this all distribution or accumulation? How do we know? Well, we don't know until after the fact. Well, I see a lot of people on X Twitter saying this move up is with low volume, which is true. And that's what you want to see. You don't want to see big volume coming in here. It doesn't really matter. That's where the volume has to come in on the breakout. That's where the breakout traders come in. If they come in with the volume, we continue to the upside. If it fails, we will just reject. So I don't care about any volume here. In fact, what I really want to see, I want to see shorts. I want to see shorts coming in here into support. I think if we go into CME, you can clearly see shorts coming into the support. A lot of shorts here and here. That's good. They keep shorting support. We continue down. Another thing. Let's go back. BYBIT. Look, the price was in this range, yeah? Everyone's getting fucked left, right, and center. A volume was going down. No big buying volume. It's going down until we break out. So that was the point here. This is the point we break out. Volume kicked in. Yeah? So that is exactly what I want to see here. I don't care about people buying here or not. They never buy. They don't buy here. They will buy here. That's where they get wrecked. They start, look. See? Big candles of buying. Big green candles. They buy at the top. Especially on the breakouts. They start buying. Fucked. Let them fucking buy. I buy at the bottom. So this is where I buy. I buy here. I'm stopped out. I buy here. Stopped out. I buy here. And I ride this to the top. I took my profits here. Range up, failed. I take my profits. Let them fucking buy. Now, was this was the previous range, yeah? We dropped out of the range, changed market structure, closed a lot of candles, daily candles below this level, got back into the range, retest. This is a retest. You do not always get it. This is a retest. That's where you should sell if you didn't sell here. Down. But what happened here? This is a buying for me, because if this was bearish, we should just continue to the downside. Okay? But we didn't. We got retest of this previous range. Yeah, retest again. Down. We should be coming down if this was really weak. If this is the bear market, we should be going down, making lower highs, lower lows. But we didn't. A lot of buying, big fake out, back into this range. We are in this range again. As long as we hold this here, we are bullish. So why the fuck would I be looking to sell here? Why? This doesn't make any difference. We are in this previous range. I'm looking for fucking longs, rotation to the upside of the range. This is the target, the minimum target. We're not gonna go down now. These retards shorting, they just don't know what the fuck they're doing. Look at this. Clearly shows you, yes, we can fucking reject and retest this value area low. This is normal. This is bullish. This is actually bullish. We should do that. But if we don't and we just continue, that's even fucking better. Let them fucking short. Why would you short here? We come into this. Yes, we can reject here. As long as we are above this level here, nothing to worry about. For me, let them short. Let them fucking short. And I'm not saying I know where the price is going, that, oh, we're going to go to 150, 200K. No. Let the market show me what it wants to do. If there is bullish structure, nice bullish ABC, I'm buying. Nice bullish ABC, I'm buying. The target is new all-time highs. Always was and always will be. Not because I want new all-time highs, but show me that it's too weak to go to the all-time highs and stop me out. Come back, stop me out. If you, if I was playing, okay, well, let's just say this is the place to take profits on this long. This is the place to take profits. The first 618 of this major range is the place to take profits. And if this account was bigger, at least 1K, I would be probably taking some profits. But there's no point to take profits now because I did not reach my final target and this account is too small. It doesn't really matter. Okay, I am gonna lose $1, $2 if we get below this level here if I'm stopped out, but I will double my account if we go to the target, and that's the whole point of trading. Well, that's for me at least, yeah. This is the point to take profits. If you're playing big money, this is the point to take profits into the 618. But what I see here, we are consolidating under this point of control. This is sign of strength. This is the sign of strength. And people waiting for this, they don't know what they don't know what the fuck they're doing. We closed the CME gap. Closed the CME gap, yeah. Look. Closed this gap here. Okay, we can do that. Close this one here as well. No problem. Now, zoom out. We all agree, as soon as we break this trend line, we should be looking for lower prices. We had our range. If we get back into this range, this is it. For me, this is the end. We're not there yet. Retested back into this range. As long as we hold in here, I'm bullish. As soon as we get back into this, I'm bearish. That's it. And this could happen. We might just get this little thing, everyone starts longing and we just fake out. This could happen. Or we get a little bit higher until September. Too far. August, September, that's it to here. And then we get back in. How far are we gonna go up? I don't know. Maybe something like that. That would be nice, yeah? If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. That's fine. But as of right now, I don't see any sign of weakness. Prices going up. Gamblers shorting. They are shorting. I told you a couple days ago, I want to see this CVD line going down as low as possible. That's what we got. A lot of shorts. CVD is going down. It could go even lower. I want to see more shorts opening. So let's go up to the. Let's go up to this. Let's come back up here. Let's come back to this 106, 107. This is the place that I would be maybe interested in taking profits because it's the top of the range, and I wouldn't mind if we just take the lows and come back in again, something like that, you know. Why not? This is where I want to see a lot of shorts coming in just before we take the new all-time highs. That will make this CVD go even lower. Why not? Or we come back down now, everyone's gonna short. We just retest the support and continue to the upside. More shorts coming in here. That's what we want. I think that's about it. Oh yeah, let me Wyckoff, is this a distribution or accumulation? What is it? Fuck knows, we don't know. Until it's done. Look. You would say, oh, we need to come down lower for this spring, yeah? This spring here. But we don't have to. This was one range. This is a range where you get all this spring upside. That's why we don't really need to come down here for the spring. We already had our spring here. Or you could say, oh yeah, but that would be still bullish. Well, not really. Because this is drop, range, spring, above this previous range, continuation. This is the range. We are above it now. There's no point going back into that range. No point. Okay. I want to see new all-time highs. If I don't get it, that's fine. I will be stopped out. Maybe if I see getting below this, maybe I'll just close it here. When the time comes, if it comes, I will decide. We shouldn't be here, you know? We should not be here. Or I'll just leave it and let the market stop me out. No problem. Yeah, that's about it. Distribution or accumulation or distribution. You can clearly see it here. We do this. Okay. Look. Up, ranging, fake out, back into the previous range, retest as resistance, down. Range, fake out, back into this previous range, down. Retested as resistance, back into this range. We shouldn't be here if we are bearish. We should not be here. Okay, you say retest. Big fake out, yeah? Big bull trap. All right, let's go down then. Fucking sell it. I'm not selling when we get back into previous ranges. I'm buying. I would be buying here if I wasn't in a position. I would be buying here. Where the fuck would I sell if we are back into this previous range? Yeah, lose this range and I sell. These fucking people, they don't know what the fuck they're doing. And you think, oh, the guys, the big whales that have a lot of money, they know what they're doing. No. And I will go and share on my Twitter. What's the website now? CoinGlass. The big players. I'll share it on Twitter maybe. Just to show you what big players do with shorts. 100 million short on Bitcoin. Oh, it's been stopped out now. So the biggest one now is 85 million long. 69 million short on Bitcoin at 95,000. So that's not too bad. There's another idiot here. 48 million short on BTC. He started shorting at 90,000. Here, he shorted this. What the fuck, man? Why would you short here? Yes, if this was fake out of this range, fake out, get back into the range. Yes, of course. But we just smashed through the fucking resistance. Jesus Christ. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. If people think you got money, you know what you're doing. Oh, these big market players, market makers, they don't fucking have a clue, man. Anyways, volume down. Oh, there is no volume in this uptrend. We don't need it. When we get up to this breakout, at this point here, we want to see volume kicking in. Not now. And even if it kicks in, it could be a fake out. Let them fucking suffer. They will suffer sooner or later. All the bull market's gonna stop, and this range is gonna be a big fake out sometime soon, and that's it. It's over, and then we're gonna be in a bear market, and that's the best time to accumulate, to buy more. That is gonna be the best time to buy more Bitcoin. Could this be the bear market now? It can. It could be, but we have to drop. We have to lose this. Have to lose it and drop. At some point, it will be. At some point, let's just say something like that, yeah? And then something like that. Big drops, huge drops. And then fake out back into this range. A lot of selling coming in at this point. Change the market structure. And that's it. See, that's what we want to see. Getting back into this previous range. Break this trend line, go up. Yeah? Getting back into this range. Okay, that's fine. Getting back into this range. Yeah, that's fine. But we're not there yet. Why would I be fucking we going up? Why would I be thinking about go? Maybe it will happen. Get below this level. I'm fine. I'm fine. Get back into this range. Yeah, that's it. I don't have to worry about this for another 365 days. But we're not there. Yeah, anyways. Ethereum, though. I think we are in a bear market with Ethereum, and I'm only interested in buying at these levels here. And I will buy there. I will buy some spot, a lot of spot. Why though? Why do I think Ethereum is in a bear market? Because it's just gonna make a nice ABC. So A, B, whatever happens here, this is gonna be C. A, B, C. Okay, maybe we get up to this point here. I don't know. I don't think that far, but maybe something like that. Something like that. If we don't go to new all-time highs now, if we do go to new all-time highs now, that's fine. There's no problem. We're gonna change this market structure in the future, in the bear market, and we do this. That's where I buy. I'm not fucking buying here. I don't care about any of these levels. All I wanna see this level here, and we will get it. I think we will. If not, then I'm not buying. When we get here, I will buy. Um, Yeah. What? Any other coins you want me to look at? Let me know if you want to. If you want me to look at any coins. I don't really look much into shit coins, but Solana still holding this trend line. This trend line here. So that's fine. We did change market structure though. So up, changed market structure. We coming up for the retest, and that's a sell into this level here. I want to see this retested. So I will be a buyer on Solana. And I know you're gonna say fucking we never gonna get there. I will be a buyer on Solana here at 50 dollars Solana. If we do not get there, what's gonna happen if we don't get there? Nothing's gonna happen. I'm not gonna buy and I don't give a fuck. If we will though, that's fine then. So that's the plan for Solana. Something like that. And then new all-time highs in the future. Basically, this is one massive range. I'm not saying we have to come down to the lows of the range because that would be it for Solana. That would be fucking over. So this could be the range, yeah. Fake out, fake out, something like that. If it wants to continue to the upside, when I buy here, if it wants to go and do something like that, that's fine. We come back later to retest this area here. This is just I'm not saying this is gonna happen. I'm saying what I want to see on Solana. Yeah, we closed the CME gap. We can come lower. That's fine. We can take the range lows. We can take these lows. Close another CME gap here. At this point here. Yeah, we can close it. Even more shorts would come into the market. So that's Solana for you. Yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know if you want to see any other coin. Uh, yeah, I'm done. That's it. Thank you very much. Oh, take care. Bye bye.